So what we have here in the shop today is the Fuse 2 Edgebander. Now the Fuse 2 is going to specialize in automating that tricky process of applying edge banding to your complex curved workpieces. It's going to save you hours from doing it all by hand. First up, we have the operator control panel mounted front and center. With its touchscreen controls, you can adjust settings like feed speeds, glue settings, panel thicknesses, and more. Next up, we have the heavy-duty vacuum support arm. With its dual pivot arm and non-marring pad, it's going to protect even your most delicate workpieces. It's also equipped with a powered auto feeder and a quick swap glue pot, so you can change your glue color quickly in just under a minute. And right below that, we have the hot air gun. That's going to make your banding more pliable for your complex curves. And we all know, wrapping a full circle is a nightmare. Typically, you're fighting gaps and wasting time with guesswork. But over here, the laser sensor is going to find that beginning of the banding and fires a large bore 50mm air cylinder guillotine. And that's going to cut your banding for a seamless bond every time. And lastly, over here on the left, we have the multi-function finishing station. Now, most machines need a separate station just for trimming. But here, the Fuse 2 combines both stations with top and bottom trimming, along with scraping in a single pass. And what's really unique about the station are these phenolic air float heads. And they're going to protect your delicate high-gloss laminate workpieces from scratching. So I'm ready to see it in action. I got a few workpieces over here that we're going to run in. We're going to apply edge banding to these contoured parts with invisible glue lines. Let's give it a go.